Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to resharpen an old pair of side cutters. Pretty much everyone in his workshop will have one of those that don't even cut sap strap anymore and are just old and rusty. But you can actually restore ones and save you from buying a new pair. So at first it's a good idea to put them against a light and look at how much of a gap you have here. I'm going to show you a picture, and then you can even take a picture with your phone of the edge and look at it, how it looks, so you know what you're working with. Then you can test for sharpness with a piece of paper. These are new pliers and they can actually cut it pretty easily, but the blunt ones can't. Even if I press hard, it won't cut through. So we will use this and the light method to check our progress during sharpening. Now I'm sat down at my workbench. I'm gonna use the 280 grit Lansky stone to sharpen this one. This is a very nice grit for that. And now I'm gonna prop this up on a piece of wood and put my hand inside it so it won't close on me. And then we can actually just follow the bevel that's already put in here. So let's do that. As you can see, I'm using them more as a sort of draw knife, because you can't actually go back and forth and you can't take these apart because they are riveted together. So I'm just going back and forth along the edge. So now we are going to sharpen the other side. I did a good amount of passes on this. And for this side, because I'm right-handed, I'm gonna put it down like this, hold it with my hand, and then actually go back and forth like this, and I can hit the angle pretty easily. Now we can go on to the other side. For this, I'm gonna use the same strategy because you don't really have another option. Put this stone right here and then use it like a draw knife to go back and forth. Now during the sharpening, I actually changed to the core stone, since this is pretty tough steel and this will make it a bit easier. But you can see I'm making some progress. Just periodically check it against the light to see when you've closed the gap between the two blades. So I've now worked on this piece for like 15 minutes and I'm now pretty good. As you can see, the gap is getting very, very small. And I can also now cut a piece of paper pretty easily, as you can see here. So, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and found it interesting. If you did, then consider subscribing, and then I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.